arrest without warrant when lawful. A peace officer or private person may without warrant arrest a person when in his presence the person to be arrested is actually committing or is attempting to commit an offense. When an offense has just been committed and he has a probable cause to believe based on the personal knowledge of fact or circumstances that the person to be arrested has committed it. And when the person to be arrested is a prisoner who has escaped from the penal establishment or place where he is serving the final judgment or temporarily confined while his case is pending, or has escaped while being transferred from one confinement to another. In cases falling under paragraph A and B above, the person arrested without warrant shall be forthwith delivered to the nearest police station or jail and shall be proceed against in accordance with Section 7 of Rule 112.